Hey there, home cooks. Welcome back to another delightful recipe session. Got a sweet tooth but running short on time? No worries, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing a quick and easy no-bake tangerine dessert recipe that's not only delicious but also healthy. It's perfect for those moments when you crave something sweet but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. This recipe is so simple, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it before. First things first, you'll need these simple ingredients: fresh tangerines, Greek yogurt, honey, and a handful of granola. That's it. Just 4 ingredients to create a dessert that's both satisfying and nutritious. No complicated ingredients or baking required. This is a no-fuss recipe that anyone can make. Alright, let's start with the star of the show: tangerines. These little citrus fruits are bursting with flavor and nutrients. Peel and segment about 4 to 5 tangerines. Make sure to get rid of all the seeds and pith to keep the dessert smooth and enjoyable. Make sure to remove any seeds and pith. This step is crucial for a smooth texture and a pleasant eating experience. Tangerines are packed with vitamin C and add a refreshing burst of flavor. They are also low in calories, making them a guilt-free addition to your dessert. Next, grab your Greek yogurt. This will be the creamy base of our dessert. You'll need about 2 cups. Make sure to use plain Greek yogurt for the best results. Greek yogurt is creamy and provides that perfect tangy balance. It's also a great source of protein and probiotics, which are fantastic for your gut health. Plus, it's rich in protein and probiotics, a win-win for your health. You get the creaminess without the guilt. Now sweeten things up with honey. This natural sweetener is not only delicious but also has numerous health benefits. Drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of honey into the yogurt. Adjust the amount based on your sweetness preference. Stir it well until it's smooth and well combined. This ensures that every bite is perfectly sweetened. Honey adds a natural sweetness that complements the tangerines perfectly. It also has antibacterial properties, making it a healthier choice than refined sugar. Time for the fun part: assembling the dessert. This is where you can get creative with your presentation. In your favorite serving glasses or bowls, start with a layer of the honey-infused Greek yogurt. This will be the creamy base that holds everything together. Then, add a generous layer of tangerine segments. The vibrant color of the tangerines will make your dessert look as good as it tastes. Repeat this process until you've used up all the yogurt and tangerines. Layering the ingredients ensures that you get a bit of everything in each bite. Finally, for that extra crunch, sprinkle a handful of granola on top. This adds a delightful texture contrast to the creamy yogurt and juicy tangerines. The granola not only adds texture but also gives a lovely nutty flavor. You can use your favorite type of granola, or even add some nuts and seeds for extra crunch. And there you have it, a beautiful layered tangerine dessert that's ready to be enjoyed. A quick, easy, and healthy no-bake tangerine dessert. It's perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family gathering or a solo treat. Perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings without the guilt. You can enjoy this dessert knowing it's made with wholesome ingredients. It's creamy, tangy, and crunchy all in one bite. Each spoonful is a delightful mix of flavors and textures. So next time you're in the mood for a treat, give this recipe a try. It's a great way to enjoy a healthy dessert without compromising on taste. It's a great way to enjoy the freshness of tangerines and the creaminess of Greek yogurt. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy making and eating this delicious dessert as much as I do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick and easy recipes. Happy cooking! See you next time!